Each time you think about success, you think about your dreams and how to make them come true at any cost. If you always ponder over the great accomplishments and the goals that you have always wanted to achieve so badly, and if you still feel that you have that unshakable readiness and unstoppable determination to climb the mountains, face any possible perils, break all the obstacles you may come across, and overcome any challenges you encounter until you reach the culmination of your success, please remember the words I'm going to share with you. Keep them in your heart, mind, and soul, since they are very crucial to lift your spirit and motivate you drastically when your will wanes. My way to triumph. Have you ever seen any history makers achieve their noble dreams while they were sitting cross-legged, carelessly, and lazily in the comfort zone? Undoubtedly, nothing worthy can get accomplished without making enough efforts and paying the proper price, since success doesn't understand the language of dice, so you must pay the price from your health, wealth, and time. Honestly speaking, you are just cheating yourself if you think that making your dreams come true can get attained overnight or by accident. That's absolutely impossible. Think about those great people: Thomas Edison, Abraham Lincoln, Wright brothers, Martin Luther King, and the best role models of love, compassion, mercy, peace, patience, persistence, and care, Prophet Muhammad and Jesus, peace and blessings be upon them. All of them are phenomenal leaders and prominent inventors who have engraved their names in gold in our history. You know why? Because they knew well that nothing significant would come to them on a silver platter. They were certain that their paths would be teeming with ups and downs, losses, disasters, hard tests, loneliness, sadness, setbacks, traumas, and a lot of pains. Yet on the flip side, they strongly, profoundly, and enormously believed that all the hard times they would get it through would be the tools they would use to get that indescribable sealed nectar that they had always looked for. That nectar is the feeling of a triumph and euphoria. All the greats rejoice when they are put on a pedestal. Because of those public figures whose reputation is still glittering and beating awesomely in all spheres of our lives, and because they have steadily and firmly set the bricks of the beacons that light up our paths day and night, your story of success you want to write has just started. Now, I want you to repeat the following affirmations with me to help you keep walking on the same track of the movers and shakers of our history. From now on, I promise to think more positively about myself. I promise to take off the black goggles that have always deprived me of seeing and enjoying the brightness of my life. I promise to find out my passion, to relish every single moment of my life. I promise to keep going regardless of all harsh circumstances I may face. I promise to rise each time I fall and try over and over again each time I fail. I promise to set my goals and set my mind to them until I see them all through to the end. Dear friend, bear in mind that it's not the end of the world if you fail once, twice, 3 times, 100 times, or even more. But it's the end of your real life when you stop trying and then you let failure, frustration, hopelessness, sadness, and pessimism take control of your life. Then, and only then, you'll be dead, even if you were still breathing. If you decided to get out of the comfort zone into the courage zone to increase your odds, you must be ready for paying the price of your success, because you must get hurt more than once. Yet, when you win and celebrate your well-deserved victory, nothing can hurt you then. Please remind yourself of these strong affirmations. When you win, nothing can hurt you then. One more time. When you win, nothing can hurt you then. However, if you prefer to cling to the comfort zone, you'll inevitably hurt yourself for life. Undeniably, your journey is long and full of hazards, but you are definitely strong enough to finish it professionally and be one of the greats one day. Never look down on yourself, and arm yourself with patience, persistence, and positivity. Then set out on a journey that is absolutely arduous, but it ends up with an absolute greatness.